In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Amazing Fields in Trello. Amazing Fields is a power-up that lets you add rich, structured fields to your cards, things like numbers, dates, progress bars, checkboxes, and more, so you can track exactly what matters without leaving Trello. To get started, head to Trello and open your boards page. Using a desktop browser makes the interface easiest to follow, and make sure you're looking at the correct workspace so you enable the power-up on the right board. Open the board where you want to use Amazing Fields. This is the board whose cards will get the new fields, so choose the one your team collaborates in most. At the top of the board, click Power-Ups. Depending on your layout, you may see it in the board header or under the menu, but it's always labeled Power-Ups. This is where all enhancements for the board live. Next, click Add Power-Ups. That opens Trello's directory of available tools. From here, we'll search for the one we want rather than scrolling. In the search bar, type Amazing Fields. You should see it appear in the results with a brief description highlighting custom fields and formatting. Double-check the name so you add the correct power-up, especially if you see similar options. When you've located Amazing Fields, click Add. Trello may show a small confirmation window explaining permissions or workspace usage limits. This is normal, it's just letting you know the power-up will be enabled on this board. To finish, click Add again to confirm and enable it. After a moment, you'll see Amazing Fields listed among your board's active power-ups, which means it's ready to use. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the power-ups button, you may need board admin access or a plan that supports power-ups. Check with your workspace admin. If the Add button is grayed out, refresh the board and make sure you're connected to the right account. Once enabled, the power-up appears in the same power-ups area. Its settings let you explore field templates and decide how fields appear on card fronts. Settings are board specific, so repeat these steps on any other boards that need the same functionality. And that's it. You've added Amazing Fields to your Trello board, putting flexible, structured data right at your fingertips, perfect for capturing statuses, budgets, milestones, and progress without leaving your existing workflows.